Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The past 24 hours have delivered life-giving rains to large areas of Queensland, but too much of a good thing can turn bad very quickly, and with another 24 hours of potentially heavy rain falling on already flooded catchments, nobody's feeling comfortable. Let's look at some rainfalls. 96 millimetres at Fred Hague overnight. Bundaberg had 72 mils, 36 mils at Gingin. Rainbow Beach had 36 as well. Hervey Bay 26. Today's temperature and humidity shouldn't come as a surprise. 29 degrees at top in Bundaberg after a steamy morning on 22. Hervey Bay, Gympie and Gayndah also rose to 29. On the satellite loop now, we have an enormous rain cloud covering most of Queensland. The upper level trough that's producing it has reached maturity, and you can almost see its central axis there swirling into an upper low that's just over the southwest corner of Queensland, and ahead of it an extremely moist and unstable air mass is resulting in pretty much widespread rain, with the heavier falls concentrated in the southern inland at the moment, and they'll go until about this time tomorrow. Let's look at the chart now. On the surface we see almost no clues about the rain. All we've got is this moist infeed of easterly winds that basically gives the fuel to produce all this heavy rain. The thing that's converting it all into liquid water drops is the upper level trough, which you cannot see on this chart. Now on tomorrow's chart, on the surface it doesn't look much different. There is a bit of a front now moving across the coast, so it'll be another heavy rain day in the south especially, but the upper level trough does start to move offshore, and by the outlook chart, once it's weakened and gone out to sea, it'll be a slightly nicer day across the state. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters, east to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots only tomorrow, a little bit fresher on Thursday and more of a southerly, and then on Friday it's southeast 15 to 20. Gowrie offshore waters, north to northeast 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, 1 metre seas, southwest to southeasterly change on Thursday, and then south-southeasterlies 15 to 20 knots for Friday. Tomorrow's first tide will be a high, and it's going to be moderately large, with Saturday's new moon just days away. Equally, the lunchtime low will be substantial. The Wide Bay Burnett District, a flood warning for the Burnett River. Rain and thunder again tomorrow with heavy falls expected. Bundaberg 22 up to 29 degrees, 27 for Gympie, Hervey Bay 29 and Maryborough 28. Looking ahead for Bundy, rain easing on Thursday and mostly sunny by Friday, but more showers and storms predicted for Sunday, Monday. Indefinitely humid with very warm nights but mild days. And that's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company, and thanks for watching 7 Local. I'll be back tomorrow with more. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much. Nice having your company, folks. And a reminder, anything you'd like to watch again, you can catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. And we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.